Hello and welcome to another fun Friday. Today we're going to have a look at Money's Too Tight by Simply Red. Classic tune. Remember, this isn't a piano tutorial, it's just me showing you the notes that I use when I play it in my band. Don't forget, if this is your sort of thing, like and subscribe, always appreciated. Let's get to it. So the intro notes in pink there are literally the notes you play. These aren't chords. This is the synth riff that starts off the tune. So F sharp, A, B, D, B, A, B. And then you're straight into the main riff. And this is pretty much just, you can consider it the verse and the chorus. Be careful if you're trying to play it similar to the original, because often in my head I think it goes faster than it actually does for the keyboard, because it's quite a solid groove. And what you can see there where I've put main riff, you've got B minor and E minor. That's what the guitarist and bass players are worrying about. What you are doing is using those hints in brackets to help you out. So you're doing the B and the E as your root notes, but over the top, the way to think about it that I find easiest is playing an A in this, so normal A triad, and then going to a D with A at the bottom, A, D, F sharp, and alternating between those two. Then when you get to the E minor, your fingers in the right hand are already on a D, and you just go to a G. So B, D, G, and alternate between those two again. And to end it, you're back to an A. So it sounds a bit like this. There's the bridge that comes up a couple of times. You probably just want to outline the chords here. So the first one, you want to play the D, go down to the E over G sharp, do a little arpeggio, and then to end you've got the F sharp 7, so F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E, and you're back into the riff. That's literally all there is to it. I hope you have fun playing that with your band and arranging it. It really is one to get people on the dance floor. Don't forget, like and subscribe, always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye for now.